Hello, people. We're back. Who's back?
We are back.
Doing what?
Roofing and gutters.
Why? It's not too cold?
Not the best time of the year to do roofing.
Woohoo! Look at these guys. Safety first. All right, guys. We are back. It's roofing season. We're at a house right now. I got a call from a realtor. They had a problem with inspection. They said, KG, we need you. Please come help me. My deal's falling apart. I said, don't worry. I got you. And we gave the estimate. Then they said, but KG, the seller doesn't have the money right now. They will when they close. I said, don't worry. We can get paid at closing, right, Holmes? We don't care, right?
Yeah, we don't care.
As long as you can put us on the closing statement. So after this, we got this roof. Tomorrow we got another roof, another saved deal for you realtors out there. And we don't always just replace the roof, right, Holmes?
No.
Sometimes we do repair,
Yep,
right?
we do the repairs.
You got a lot of roofers, they're going to say, new roof, new roof, new roof. We say, not every time. We got to be honest and save you money. So we got to repair under $1,500, saving another deal for Peter Promisberger. So if you need your roof done this year, gutter, siding, don't delay. Call us today.
Yes, do that. We are ready to get you started in the roof repairs, replacements.
See ya.
See ya.